Hey everyone, I'm Nick Ron from House Buyers of America. And if you're getting ready to sell your home, one thing you need to be prepared for is the appraisal. Today we're going to break down the top 3 factors that will make or break your home's value. So stay tuned on how to make the most out of your appraisal. First up, how does the condition of your home impact the appraisal? Condition is a huge factor. Appraisers are trained to look at the overall state of the home, both inside and out. If you have visible damage like a leaky roof, outdated electrical systems, or major wear and tear, it's going to bring down your home's value. Even smaller issues like chipped paint or overgrown landscaping can add up. Keep in mind, a lot of small issues can end up having a huge negative impact on the appraisal. The appraiser will assume that the house has been poorly maintained, and they might assume that there's some hidden damage behind the walls. According to the Appraisal Institute, well-maintained homes generally have a higher appraised value compared to those that need a lot of work. So even though you might not need a full renovation, simple fixes can make a significant difference. Next, how does the location of your home play into the appraised value? Location, location, location. It's the age-old real estate adage. It's one of the biggest factors in determining your home's value. Appraisers consider several key aspects, such as the neighborhood's quality. Is the area desirable and well-maintained? Are the houses in the area well-maintained and have good curb appeal? These characteristics can have a significant impact on your home's value. Another crucial element is the school district. Homes with top-rated school districts can sell up to 58% more, according to Zillow, which makes this a huge consideration for appraisers. Also, safety is a concern. Higher crime rates in your area can have a negative impact on your home's appraised value. Simply put, people don't want to live in areas where there's high crime. Finally, the proximity to key places like shopping centers, public transportation, and parks is important. Being close to these conveniences really boosts your home's value in the eyes of an appraiser. If your home is in a well-sought-after area, expect a higher appraisal. But if your neighborhood has issues like increased crime or declining school district, it may lower the value. So where you are matters just as much as what your home has to offer. Lastly, how do market trends influence your home's appraisal? Market trends can make a big difference. If your real estate market in your area is hot, with homes selling quickly and with prices climbing, your appraisal will likely reflect that. On the flip side, if the market is cooling down, your home's value might be lower. Appraisers look at recent sales of comparable homes, or comps, within the last 6 months to get an idea of your home's worth. According to Redfin, in a strong seller's market, homes can appraise up to 10% higher than the buyer's market. Timing can really work in your favor or against it, depending on the current trends. Understanding these factors can help you better prepare for your home appraisal and make sure you get the best possible value. If you're thinking about selling and you want more tips on a hassle-free way to get cash for your home, click on the link in the description to learn more. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel if you found value in it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.